Salon family, this is Unity. So I'm here to do a plaid haul. So I'm gonna start adding these to my, I gotta start doing my Irregular days. I haven't, but I'm gonna do a quick plaid haul. I got a couple of packages from Plaid, so I'm going to share that with y'all. All right, so I just got off a meeting. We have a quarterly meeting with Plaid, and it was just so dope. Yeah, it was so dope to be a Plaid brand ambassador. The beautiful part, I didn't know that the Plaid brand ambassador, as soon as I became one, like in May, they literally had just started that. I want to show y'all a couple of things that I got from Plaid. I didn't know that program had just started, like when I had became one. So it's so fun. I met some beautiful people and excited about what's to come being a Plaid brand ambassador. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all these. I think I showed these on my live. I haven't tried them yet, y'all. So y'all know y'all got a lot of swatches, because I still got to do swatches on the sugar metallics. I got to do the swatches on some of the new colors that I got. So I want to show y'all these. I haven't tried them. They're not even open, but I think they cool for people that say, I'm not a drawer, Unity. I think these would be cool to write things on, and you can make some beautiful dots. It's called dots, folk art dots. You can do some cool little dot designs. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, it's acrylic paint, and these are fun. It remind me of, like long time ago, if y'all been following me for a long time, how I used to use, I thought maybe I had one in here. Oh yeah, I do. Trying to grab it. It's kind of like a puffy paint, but what I like, I don't know if these tips are similar. Look like the tips are similar, but they longer. So it kind of remind me of working with a puffy paint, but I don't think this is puffy. So I think these right here be cool just to add to you just being an artist or a crafter or whatever you is. These would be cool. You could even do these. I'm thinking you can do them on, let me see. It's a glass, ceramic, wood, metal, terracotta, rocks. I even try them on clothes just to see. All right. So that's one of the things. Oh, let me show you. I mean, as y'all see the color. So you get a red ribbon. You get a brilliant blue. You get a Boabw brook. And you get a sun summer, a glass meadow, and white whisper. So these are pretty cool color. Now I don't know if they got other ones, but I think and they had the colors right here. I think a brown and a black and a darker green to be cool added to it. Purple, pink. But I guess just their first set. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have more. All right. I'm thinking that's their first set because I haven't seen it. What I want to show next. Let me show this one. I should have had all these, but I got so much stuff around me that. So these are different Mod Podges. This is Mod Podge. This is a Mod Podge puzzle. You know how you putting a puzzle together? This is a puzzle sealant. A puzzle saver sealant. So it's a matte water-based glue finisher. But it'll put the puzzles together. Like if you want to keep your puzzle together and frame it. And this is more of a matte. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And then this is another Mod Podge dishwasher safe gold glitter. I seen a demonstration of this. We had lives twice a day on the Facebook Plaid, and she showed some like wine glasses, and they were so pretty the way she designed them, and you can wash them and they won't peel off. So that's cool. You could do it other ways, but this is cool that you would want to put glitter or something on your glasses, and you don't have to worry about it washing away. And this is Mod Podge Diamond Top. The thing is, it's about these, it's a diamond art. A company contacted me and asked me, did I want to do some diamond art And I rejected it because I didn't really know about it. I know what it was. But I think I'm going to contact them back and say I want to learn, because that's how you expand your thing. So they had contacted me and they wanted to send me some for some of these diamond things for free. But I knew I could have did it. It reminded me of like a puzzle, but I just didn't really know it. But, and they done hit me up more than one time. So that's why I knew it won't be a problem with contacting them and saying I want to try it. And because I got this now, I don't know if people use these. I don't know how this works. But this would be cool just to open myself up to another art, another craft to do. Yeah. So that's for Water Blade School Sealant. And then this another, oh, I'm excited about this one. I didn't use crackle before when I first started doing my earrings. This is a crackle, and it's a one-step crackle effect. And I'm going to show y'all some of these. I probably like 3 of them when I use them. I want to get the high gloss, but this is a crackle effect. Y'all see how that look? So I got some cool ideas for some. That'll be cool, like if you're doing like a brick wall in the back and then you do like some kind of graffiti look on the front. That'll be cool. It's all kind of things that you can do. And then this the super matte. See, I want to try the high gloss. I haven't tried them. I done tried the gloss, the matte, but this is the super matte. Like if you want something just to look really dry, but it's protected. So that's pretty cool. So that is the Mod Podge thing that I got. Okay. Woo. Let me see what else I could grab. Let me set this box here. All right. Now, I was excited about these. Let me see. Come on, come on. It's heavy. Now, I was excited about this one because I wanted, if y'all don't remember, I had got an Unk chair I think about 2 years ago. I was going to paint it, but time and just life, and I was like, I need to paint my Unk chair. So when I calculate all my points, I'm like, I'm finna get these. I never tried them. So when I do the video, y'all will see me working on it, the Unk chair. So these are called the Home Decor Chalk, and they got it in blue suede. Pretty. I'm gonna still do swatches on these too, y'all. But this is a blue suede, and it is acrylic matte and non-toxic water base. When I do each product, when I do a video for each product, I kind of go through it and do swatches and stuff. But it is, I think it's indoor. Is this indoor, outdoor? It's for home decor. Indoor only. This indoor. I knew this was kind of, this the indoor. So this is the chalk, and it's blue suede. Pretty. That, ooh, that's so pretty. I could see painting one of my bookcases. I don't know. That's I got so many ideas in my head. And then this a cashmere. It's kind of like a light pinkish, kind of nudish color. And then this one, that's matte. I think all of them matte. Yeah, all of them matte. Matte is when it look dry. And this a cobblestone. That's a pretty grayish light color. That's called cobblestone. And then this one is a fiery clay. So I know that you're gonna have this color in it, because I'm gonna do like kind of like a mud cloth design on it. So this is a fiery clay. And this mocha, mellow mocha. Oh my God, I can't wait to work on the chair. It's long overdue. I sit in it, but and it's called Foggy. It's kind of like a white silverish color. I can't wait to see how these work. And this is Sea Haze. Oh, the Sea Haze in is blue. This gonna be fun to use. Yeah. And then I got one more color. This is a pleasant pink. Alrighty. Let me show you a little more. I put it away. But like I say, each one of these, I'm going to do a separate video, and then we'll get into swatches. I I know y'all like the swatch videos. Okay, what's next? Okay, so something else that I got from Plaid, and it's just a random thing with random things in it. This is the Terrazzo, if I'm saying that right, Terrazzo Flakes. And this is the teal multi-blue. It's like little flakes. I'm gonna show y'all another package that got all these in it. So this came with this. And you could just, you know, you can use this on, I'm gonna use it on earrings. I'm gonna use it on anything, but yeah. You can use it on wood and stuff like that. Canvas, surfaces, home decor, you know, vases, bottles, all kinds of stuff. And these, what I wanted to try, y'all, and these was the new flats. Because you know what paints, you would have like semi-gloss, gloss, matte, high gloss, flats. And I don't think I ever tried a flat on an earring. If I did, I didn't know. I always do it matte. So this is going to be cool just to try these. So this right here is, it's called flat iron. It's kind of like a dark, from what I'm looking at, I haven't opened it. It's like a dark grayish, blackish, grayish color. And then this one is a almond latte. With the folk art flats. This is a deep marine. Oh, that's so pretty. I love these colors. And this is a coconut milk. Y'all see that? It's kind of like a creamy, it's literally like coconut, the color coconut. Not white, but not like kind of off white a little bit. Kind of like a wicker white, but And then this is what I'm going to try. I seen this in one of the lives that we had last week. And it's called Invisible Glow. So that's going to be really fun to try. It's a Stardust. This is Stardust. So I have a ghost that I'm working on. And I'm going to add that on. And I'm going to show y'all. Y'all going to see all that. So that's, and then I got, I got one more. Okay. So this is everything in here? Oh yeah, okay. So this is the
Terrazzo.
So this is the sealer. So you have to put this down first. This is the glue and 2 glue sealer. This is the glossy one, and then this is the matte one. So you got to put these down before you even use. Like I just showed y'all the little flakes, but I got a whole set of them right here. So when we went live last week, they did a demonstration and they showed how to use this, and I was asking them, I asked a question, can you use Mod Podge? They say they literally formulated this to work with these. So it's best to use this with Mod Podge. I mean, with this. Don't use Mod Podge. I guess if you did, I don't know what would happen, but they say it's best to use these sealers with the flakes. So this is the these color chips, which this one is yellow, multi-yellow, which is pretty. It kind of give you like the gold feel. And then this is teal. I think that's the one I just showed, did it? I don't know. And then this one is green, multi-green. And that's the teal. And then this one is blue, multi. That's pretty. I got some cool ideas, y'all. And then this one right here is terracotta multi. It's like the little terracotta color. Let's see what color this was that was in this package. Oh, this is the teal, so I got 2 of these. Yeah, I got 2 of these teal multi. I'll give one of these away in the giveaway. That is my plaid haul. Y'all can go to plaidonline.com. Y'all can use Khadijah 123 across the screen and get 15% off. But before y'all even do that, just check it, because they've been having like some sales. Like if you get 50, you get like 20% off. You spend $50, you get 20%, so you get like a little more. So before you even use my code, if you don't see no code, use Khadijah 123. I was gonna change it to K Unity. I might change it later on to K Unity, but right now it's Khadijah 123. Use that, and like I say, I'll be doing a swatch video soon, so y'all can see how all these products work. But I just want to do the quick haul, and I could have did it a little bit longer, but y'all, I got so much to do. But all right, don't forget to pick up litter in your community. Respect those that respect you. Leave a beautiful comment. Adopt from your local shelter or rescue. I'm gonna say it one more time, pick up trash in your community, y'all. All right, don't forget to check out boabwart.com. I have over 500 designs, earring designs. If you haven't joined my membership, join it. It's $14.99 a month, and you get 2 DIYs, and we go live twice. Well, we go live 3 times. Well, I say twice a month with the membership. And follow me on my social medias. They're usually KUnity77. And like I say, leave a beautiful comment. I'll see y'all in my next video. Salam, salam.